Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to apply at University of Eastern Piedmont, which is also known as UPO. So this is basically a public university in Italy that is offering fully funded scholarships for bachelor's as well as master students, and there are no IELTS or any other English test requirement, and you just have to apply online for this scholarship. So to apply for this scholarship, we will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguides.com. Okay, so at the right we can see different scholarships information. So I will click on University of Eastern Piedmont Italy scholarships 2024. So here we can see all the information about this university. It was founded in 1998 and other information you can see over here. And its eligibility criteria is that for applying to master program you must have a bachelor's degree, and to apply for bachelor's degree you must have a secondary school certificate that is basically intermediate. So these are the required documents that you need while applying for this university. And here it is scholarship coverage, and these are the programs that are being offered by this university. For bachelor's program you can see this list. You can find your related program to apply, and here you can find all the programs, master programs that are being offered by this university. And here are the programs that are being taught in English language. Others are mostly taught in Italian language. Okay, so to apply for this scholarship you just have to click here to apply online button. It will take us to university website. Okay, so here we are on the official website of university. We will click for international and then students. Okay, so at the bottom we can see here it is listed that are you an international student who wishes to come and study at UPO. So we will just click over here. Here we will see all the information about international students on how to apply at this university. Okay, so you will scroll down, and here at the right side you see how to enroll at UPO. You will just click over here. Here all the instructions are listed to apply at this university, and if you want to read all the guidelines about applying, then you will have to click on handbook enrollment for international students. I will just click over here and a file will be downloaded. This file will give all the information about applying procedure for international students. So step 1 is to apply at ItalyEducation website. So we will first apply or register ourselves at this website, and then further process will begin. All the process is listed over here, you can easily read it. And to register for a master degree program, here are the requirements. Okay, so to apply we will just first register on your Italy website. Okay, so we will go to Google and just type here universityitaly.it. Okay, after opening this website we will see this icon at the right side of your screen. So I will just click over here. Okay, one more thing. So to check for courses you can just click over on this courses button, and here you will see different courses. Here you can see master's courses and bachelor's courses as well. First of all, I will click on master's courses. So these are the courses that are being taught in this university, that are already listed at the university at this website that I told you before. Okay, so you just have to select your course, and then you have to come to University Italy website and register yourself. As I have already registered, so it just logged me in, but you will have to register yourself to create an account over here. Then you will come to this page. You have to convert this language to English after clicking on this icon. Okay, so you can change your personal data. After clicking on your personal data, this is the information that you will put while registering at this portal. Okay, so to pre-enroll, we will just click on pre-enrollment application. Okay, so it will take us to this page. It is again in Italian, so I will just click on this icon to convert it to English language. Okay, so it will ask me to click on go to application button. I will click over here. Okay, so here you will choose academic year, as we are applying for 24 to 25. So I will click over here. Then you will have to enter your personal data, your name, surname, birth date, gender, etc. You will fill all this information, and your official home address, your contact details, and then you have to click on go to step B. Okay, here you will add your passport number, expiry date, and then passport size picture of your face. You have to upload your passport size picture and your passport image. It can be your first page of your passport. Okay, so then you will have to click country. Where will you apply for a visa? You have to select one of these, Islamabad or Karachi. Okay, then reason for visa application. I want to enroll in a study course. You will select this. Okay, and in the course information you will click on institution, University. Okay, then you in the institution name you will select university in which you want to enroll. So that is University of Eastern Piedmont. This one is the university in which we want to enroll. So I will click over here. Okay, so language, I will click on English language. Here you will click on Laurea Magistrale. It is basically a master's course. Then in the course name you will select the courses that are being offered in English language. So for example, I click on medical biotechnology. Here there are different curriculum. I have to select one of these. These are basically specialization in which I want to do my research. So I will click one of these. Here is a course information that I have selected. Then I will click on go to step C. Okay, so here are the documents that we have to upload in the list, and we can just select one by one over here, and then we will have to click on choose file and upload that document. Then we can write the name of the document that we have uploaded. Then we will just click on upload qualification, and our document will be uploaded. So after uploading all these required documents, we will click on summary, and it will show us the summary of our application that we have filled. Okay, so we will just go through all these information and click on I have read the processing data, and then click on apply for pre-enrollment, and our pre-enrollment will be done. So this was the procedure to apply for this UPO University. Thank you.